Okay, walking into the hallway, the first thing you're going to see is this little trolley. This is like my craft box, so I keep like craft supplies and stuff in the drawers and spray paints, all that good stuff. And then here is my little coffee station, and this is where the kids' snacks and things are. And my office is actually just beyond this door and window, so I can still actually peer into the main space to kind of keep an eye on them when I am in there. But you know, of course, there's things blocking it, so you can't see everything. But this is my little coffee station because I love my coffee, and I actually store extra you know, decor stuff in here, so when we have events and stuff or whatever, these are extra little signs, and these are display situations and little spoons for trying samples and stuff. They're actually ice cream spoons, you guys, I got from Target, so I racked up on them. And then over here I just keep the cups and coffee supplies and you know, things like that. And then of course a fridge is a fridge is a fridge. And then this is where I keep my coffee pods and tea pods. Y'all, I don't want to open this. And then the snacks for the kids. And then extra drinks in there. And then this door leads into someone else's office. It's actually a private school gym / office athletic center area, whatever. So that is locked on both sides. That is my husband's office, so we won't go in there for his nonprofit. And then this is my bathroom. It's just a bathroom, y'all. So nothing special going on in there. And then on the opposite side of the door, let's pan out. This is my printer station. So this I actually got from IKEA a long time ago, and we really don't use it. It was supposed to be like my dashboard kind of world, but we don't use it very often for anything. And then this is the air printer. This is an inkjet printer, and I personally still like inkjet. I know some people, there's a, you know, about how much ink is used, but this guy really doesn't use a ton of ink. Like, I probably buy ink cartridges like every 2 months or so. And then this is where we store like all of our supplies for such related things, like hole punchers and staplers and paper cutters and printer ink and printer paper. And this is for the stamp machine, for the foil stamping machine outside. Crepe paper for crafting, craft stuff, because I'm obsessed with craft stuff. Extra tissue paper, that's where I keep that stuff. And then on the side here is where I keep my blank labels. So these are actually plastic. I ordered them, I think, off Amazon, and then I just stuck them to the wall with 3M double-sided removable tape so I don't mess up the walls. But yeah, it's handy and it's accessible. That is the hallway. So let's move on to the office. Okay, so this is the office. This is my office here, and I am sure that you guys are familiar with that, my little DIY project. And then those beautiful blush curtains are back in here because I just thought they were so pretty. And then we have the bookshelf area. Okay, so let's start from the bookshelf area. So yes, like I said, that this is my little bookshelf area. These bookshelves I actually had in my old office, so I've had them for a while, but they're just those little basic Target bookshelves that you can get for like 30 bucks. There's also that one in the center, in the main space at the front, that holds all my display stuff. So this is just where I just tried to have some pretty. And then the record keeping that I do keep go into those binders. And then these are just little pretties. I actually made this, y'all. So I just took some cheap little Hobby Lobby flowers, and I got some styrofoam, and then this box I actually got with an InStyle subscription order. These beautiful, they're actually really awesome boxes, beautiful boxes, and so I couldn't bear to throw them away, so I use them as storage, and I have one here, and then I have another one in my home, and I have another one in the coffee bar on the bottom where I keep and store like napkins and stuff. So I reuse those boxes. Have to. And then this is where I keep like ribbon and stuff. As you can see, my son, yeah, he was writing on it. And then this is where I keep like extra cardstocks. So they're all different colors, and I have them kind of coordinated in color stories. And then this is extra because I actually used to store my, I had a bunch of these, and I used to store my craft paper in those mesh things, so that's just an extra one. This is my, oh, I just love this little bunny. I love her. She's just so beautiful. But Daya, actually, I ordered one of these from Daya at Daya and Me. Hey girl. I love her. She's so cute. So she, of course, hangs out in my office too. You know, these baskets from Target, I love them. And then this, I want to say, I never take off the stickers for stuff, but I want to say either I got, I'm surprised I don't have the price tag still on that bad boy, but like Ross or somewhere. And then I keep all my extra handmade magazines from Wholesale Supplies Plus in here, and I just use them for references sometimes. And then this is just more paper. Some of these are actually empty because I haven't filled them with anything, but and then these are extra shadow boxes, and you'll see what I use some of those shadow boxes for in the soap room. And then this is where I keep tax files from previous years, and then larger, what do you call these, cardstock for and then I use some of these for backdrops, so I'll go whenever they're having a sale on paper, like the cardstocks that are really pretty, I'll just go find stuff that I like. Of course, you know I have to have my quotes and all my situations. So I told you guys about these dry erase boards. My husband has them in his office. I have them. I just love them. And so this is where I keep my vision board. And then this is, of course, last month's, because I was just not trying to show, you know, inspiration board for the month. But so yeah, I will create vision boards, and I print them out, and then I put them here, and I also put them in the soap room, and they're like our inspiration and what to kind of, the color stories or the vibe we're going for. So that's how, I mean, I just don't, I actually like plan it out. So I have months and months worth of vision boards, and that's one of the videos that I want to do for you guys for like business ideas when you are creating product. And then that is that second clear chair I told you guys about, which actually those two chairs sat here for a while, but it was just not necessary because I don't do consultations here at the office right now for soaps and weddings and things like that. So it's just the office for me now, so I took it, moved it. And then these are just beautiful art pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby. That is from Hobby Lobby. I love that dry erase board, calendar board. And then these little images I got from various places. Desenio is one of my favorite places to get art. So this is, I think, from Desenio, and this one. And that Dream. There's several of them. I purchase Desenio stuff a lot. And then this is one of those giant flowers from Hobby Lobby. And then this is where I keep my Cricut machine for cutting things. And then this is my laser printer, which I only usually use for foiling things. So I use a Mink foiler, and you have to have toner ink in order for it to stick. So books and things. And then this is, y'all, I love crap, extra M&Ms and stuff. I hide candy for my son, so when he has treat time, it's not something that he can access when he feels like it. And then this, I'm going to try to get here. And my sticker is coming off. So this is just extra supplies and stuff. There's no rhyme or reason for this guy. So there's not a whole lot of stuff going on in here. Cricut stuff, Mink stuff. These are just extra things for when we go and do events. And then these are backdrops and you know, those for lighting, camera stuff. But I usually don't even use the lighting equipment I have. I just like to use natural light. And then this is extra filming equipment stuff and backdrop stuff I bought for backdrops. And then this is like a corner of crap. So this is like all the little manuals, you know, you get with stuff. I never throw manuals away just in case, so I need to reorganize that. And then this is where I keep like extra wallpaper or wrapping paper, things like that. This is where I keep my Cricut and Mink foils and things like that for vinyls and things like that. I keep it on here. This lamp is super old, and I want to say I got it from Ross. This is from Target, and it holds my receipts that I need to, my receipts, there's an abundance of them, from purchases at stores that I have to then log. And then this is just a little doodad container that I got at the dollar section at Target, and it was during Valentine's. It's $3. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not focusing, but yeah, it's $3. And then let's see, something is on my bottom of my foot, like a sticky note. Oh, sticky note, y'all. So this was my DIY for this wall. And then this is a Target chair. I love it. The throw is Target. I got on clearance. That is a little IKEA $12 table. Of course, I keep my family very close. And then those I got those were from my wedding, but I kept them, and I don't remember where I got them. I think Michael's. I think they're Ashland's. And then I already told you guys I got those off Amazon. This is from Wayfair, and it actually stores, the bottom one stores, I take it to events. The bottom one stores my bags and things, and then this one stores like my aprons, and when we actually all dress alike when we do events. Yeah. And then I got that from, I need to put a light bulb in it, but I got that from, there's also one out there in the front from Ross. super cheap. And then this, I want to say, is another Ashland piece from Michaels. This desk is from Wayfair, and I love it. It's beautiful. Rug is Target. And then this is just my little section here for where I keep, like, you know, my office supplies. I love this. So cute. I think I got it from Target. Love it. This was my kids, my baby boy and my nephew. They dragged this. This was the wedding ring. They were ring bearers, and they were little tiny babies. They were like 1 or 2. And so for my formal wedding, they dragged this big bad boy, it's a paperweight, down the aisle. It was so funny and cute. And then I kept it, of course. And then that's it. So let's now move on to, of course, the very last girl, the soap room.